Capital CDS 2025. The big day is here. The Union Public Service Commission has just released the admit cards for the Combined Defense Services Exam 2 2025, and it's time to get ready. If you're one of the lucky candidates who applied for the UPSC CDS Recruitment 2025, you'll want to pay close attention to this guide. But here's where it gets controversial, or at least where some candidates might run into trouble. The UPSC has strict guidelines about what you can and cannot bring to the exam hall. And this is the part most people miss. It's not just about the items you bring, but also about the potential consequences if you don't follow these rules. So, let's dive into the details and ensure you have a smooth and successful exam experience. UPSC CDS Admit Card 2025 download. First things first, head over to the official UPSC website, upsc.gov.in. Navigate to the Combined Defense Services Examination I 2025 section and click on Download. Then click on Click here to access your admit card. Don't forget to print out the important instructions to the candidate before downloading your admit card. Items banned at exam centers. The UPSC has a strict no-nonsense policy when it comes to prohibited items. Here's a list of items you should avoid bringing to the exam hall. Mobile phones, electronic equipment, programmable devices, smartwatches, calculators, etc. Storage media, pen drives, communication devices, Bluetooth, any valuable or costly items. Remember, carrying any of these items can be considered a serious violation of the exam guidelines and may lead to disciplinary action, including disqualification. How to download your UPSC CDS Admit Card 2025. Go to the UPSC website, upsc.gov.in. Find the Combined Defense Services Examination I 2025 section and click on Download. Click on Click here to access the admit card download page. Print out the important instructions. Enter your UPSC CDS registration number or UPSC CDS roll number and your date of birth. Download your UPSC CDS-1 Admit Card 2025. Important instructions for UPSC CDS-1 Exam 2025. Make sure you arrive at the exam center before the reporting time to avoid any last-minute rush. Carry your admit card and a valid photo ID, voter ID, Aadhar, driving license, passport, etc. Avoid prohibited items, including mobile phones, smartwatches, earphones, and any other electronic devices. Follow the OMR sheet filling instructions carefully. Sit only in the assigned seat as per your roll number, registration number. Discrepancies in UPSC CDS 2025 Admit Card. The UPSC CDS Admit Card is a crucial document, and you must ensure all the details are correct. If you notice any errors such as incorrect spelling of your name, wrong registration number, or mismatched details, don't ignore them. Contact the UPSC authorities immediately if you face any issues with your admit card or have difficulty downloading it. Here are the contact details for faster resolution. Nature of problem. Applicant data problems, radhay.sharma19@gov.in. Technical problems, webupc@gov.in. When reporting discrepancies, provide the following details. Exam name with year, registration number, roll number, postal address, application number. Stay informed. Keep an eye on the UPSC CMS Result 2025, which will be released at upsc.gov.in. Check the direct link here, https://www.jagranjosh.com/articles/UPSC CMS Result 2025 released at upsc.gov.in. Check July 20 exam. Result direct link here, 180002825. Best of luck, and may your preparation pay off on the big day.